Hi friends, welcome to Insurance Decoder, and in this video I will explain about the PNB Metlife Mera Term Plan Plus. You will get to know complete information about the plan that will be in an easy language with suitable examples so that all your concepts related to this term plan will be clear by the end of this video. Let's start, and as usual first we will discuss about the company. The PNB Metlife is majorly held by Metlife International Holdings and PNB, which are the major shareholders in this company. This company started functioning its operation in 2001. So it's been around 20 years since this company has been working. Now let's talk about the fact sheet. And first, let's see the claim settlement ratio of the company is 96.21%, and the amount settlement ratio of the company is 89.62%. On both the parameters, this company works above the average. Now we'll talk about the Mera Term Plan Plus. So first, see the eligibility criteria of this plan. Who can buy this plan and what should be the minimum eligibility for getting this plan. So you should be above 18 years if you want to buy this plan, and you should be having some working earning source, because you will have to provide income proof. That would be your salary slip or your ITRs documents. So minimum age at entry is 18 years and the maximum age at entry is 60 years. So the window is from 18 years to 60 years. If you are between these two numbers, you can buy this policy. The maximum age at maturity is 99 years. So this policy gives you the opportunity to secure yourself up to the age of 99 years. The minimum policy term is 10 years and the maximum policy term is 99 years minus your age. So if your age is say 60 years, though, the maximum policy term will be 39 years. If your age is 50 years, then your maximum policy term will be 99 minus 50. That would be 49 years. So accordingly, you can calculate the maximum policy term if you want. So if you want to take policy for 99 years, you can take, or you can take the lower policy maturity policy. Minimum sum assured for this policy is 10 lakh. That is very good. If you want to take a lower term plan, you can go for it. Otherwise, normally the term plans starts at 50 lakh rupees. And there is no limit for the maximum sum assured. You can go up to any limit. However, the maximum sum assured is decided depending on your financial capacity and the underwriter's approval. If underwriter approves the policy, some maximum sum assured can be increased. Then comes the premium options. So in this policy, you have the premium payment option in single premium. You can pay the entire premiums in a single amount, or you can go for the limited options wherein you can pay your premiums for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years or 20 years. Thereafter, you will not require to pay any premiums, or you can opt for pay till 60 years. So up to the age of 60, you can pay the premiums. Once you have attained the age of 60 years, your premiums will stop and you will be secured up to your policy term. And then there is a third option, which is the regular option. So if you are opting for the regular option, you will have to pay the premium up to the policy term. So if you have opted for the 99 years policy, you will have to pay the premium up to your age of 99 years. Then the premium payment frequency, they have given four options. The first is annual, then second is semi-annual, third is quarterly, and fourth is monthly. So you have four options in the premium payment frequency. You can opt any of these up depending on your financial capacity, and depending on your requirement, you can opt. Ideally, annual premium frequency is good. Then comes the options. This policy gives you three options. The number one option is lump sum payment on death. Second option is lump sum payment on death plus regular monthly income. And the third option is regular monthly income for 10 years. So these are the three options, the payout options. You can opt any of these three payout options. Now we'll see all these three options in detail with suitable examples so that you will get to know how these options function. First, let's see the first option, that is lump sum payment on death. For this, we'll take an example, and let's see, this is Mr. Robert, who is 30 years old and he takes a policy of 40 years. So he secures himself up to the age of 70 years and he takes the policy of 2 crore rupees. Now he pays the premium of rupees 21,700 approximately per year for next 40 years. Now, due to some mishappenings, this person, Mr. Robert, dies after 15 years when he was 45 years old. Now, as he has opted for option 1, his family will get the entire sum assured amount on Mr. Robert's death. So whenever this death happens, his family will get the entire sum assured. So as he died after 15 years, on his death, immediately family will get the entire sum assured amount. So the entire sum assured amount is 2 crore rupees. So immediately family will be given 2 crore rupees by PNB Metlife and the policy stops. The family will not need to pay any kind of premium. So if you have opted for lump sum payment, that means the entire sum assured amount or the policy amount is paid immediately after death of policy holders to the nominees. Now, the second option is lump sum payment at claim plus regular monthly income for 10 years. So this option appears good. It's a good option if you want your family to be secured for a long term. Then you can go for this option. Here we take the example of Mr. Vivek, who is 30 years old, and he also takes the policy of 40 years. And he takes the policy of 2 crore rupees sum assured with 50% monthly income option. That means if whenever Mr. Vivek will die, his family will get 1 crore rupees immediately, and the remaining 50% amount will be paid on monthly installment for 10 years. Mr. Vivek will keep paying a premium of 21,700 rupees approximately per year for next 40 years or up to the age he dies. If he dies before 40 years, 70 years, then his premium will stop. Now we will keep the example similar and we say that Mr. Vivek dies at the age of 45. That means after 15 years of commencement of the policy, Mr. Vivek dies. As he has opted for lump sum payment at claim plus regular monthly income, and he has opted for 50% monthly income. So his family will get 1 crore rupees immediately on his death. And the remaining 1 crore will be converted into monthly installment of for 10 years. So for next 10 years, his family or nominee will be getting 1.1 lakh rupees every month for next 120 months. So that's how this option 2 will work. Anyway, the premium will be same, but the payouts are different. Now in option 3, the monthly income option for 10 years. So here there will not be any kind of lump sum payment at the death. The entire amount will be given in 10 years monthly installments. So here we take the example of Mr. Salman, who is 30 years old and he opts for a 40 years term insurance policy from MetLife. And he takes 2 crore rupees sum assured amount with option 3. His monthly premium will be same, yearly premium will be same, that is 21,700 approximately, and he will have to pay for next 40 years. Now, similar to the previous two examples, we keep the same example and we say that Mr. Salman dies at the age of 45 years. That means he has paid premium for 15 years. Now, on his death, his family will not get anything. However, from his death, for the next 120 months, his family will keep getting monthly installment, and that monthly installment would be around 2.2 lakh rupees per month for next 120 months. So total amount will be paid by PNB Metlife would be 2.65 crore. So 2 crore is some assured amount, and 65 lakh rupees is the interest amount that MetLife will be paying because he has opted for monthly income instead of taking the lump sum payment. So the insurance company will pay him the interest. So this is how these three options work. Now you want to know the how the premium will be calculated. So to calculate the premium, you need to I need to know your age. I need to know how much sum assured amount you want to take. I need to know up to what age you want to secure yourself. I need to know which premium payment option you want to opt. I need to know that how long you want to pay the premium. So all these things are taken into consideration for calculating the premium. So it would be difficult for me to show the details how the premium will work. So what I'm providing you the link in the description box. From there you can calculate the premium. So for that, you will get this page once you will click on that link, and here you fill all the details like your age, whether you are smoker, non-smoker, and your pin code, and then you click on the get code. Once you will click on the get code, this page will appear. Here you will get the complete details like sum assured amount and coverage up to what age, and then on the below you can see the how would you like to schedule your payment. You can pay monthly, quarterly, half yearly, and yearly. You can select it depending on your requirement. And on the right side, you can see that its summary is given: policy term 29 years, premium payment option 29 years, plan option life, death benefit payout option lump sum, and then you can select here that monthly, and from drop down you can also select that half yearly, quarterly, and monthly. And then on the yellow part you see the proceed. Once you will click on the proceed, the other details will be sought from you, and you can buy the policy from this page only. Now this policy has some features that I want to tell you, that this policy provides you free look period of 30 days. So once you have got your policy documents, and if you are not happy with the terms, conditions, inclusion, exclusions from the policy, you can return it back, and the this policy will be cancelled without any questions, and you will get your premium back after some deduction of some security deposit, that the security charges and all these things will be deducted, and the remaining premium will be refunded back to you. The grace period for this policy, the 15 days grace period is given if you have opted for monthly premium payment option, and if you have opted for quarterly, half yearly, and yearly premium option, then grace period will be 30 days. The grace period is the additional number of days provided to you after the end of your premium payment last date. If a person dies during this grace period, the insurance company is bound to pay the claim. They cannot reject the claim if person dies within the grace period. If he has crossed the grace period, the insurance company will not make any kind of payment. Revival period, because of any reason, if you have stopped paying the premium to the insurance company and after some time you realize that you want to continue the policy, so here PNB Metlife gives you 5 years time period. Within that you can go and pay the premiums with the interest and with some penalty, and you can get your policy revived. And as this is a term policy, you will not get any kind of loan against the policy. Now this policy provides you two riders. First rider is a return on premiums options. So if you opt for return on premiums payments, entire premiums paid to you will be returned back if the person does not die within the maturity date. And the other option is get critical illness covered. So if you have opted for critical illness and you get diagnosed of any of those 50 critical disease, the entire lump sum amount for that particular rider will be given to you on detection of the disease. So these two riders are available with this policy. So friends, that's all for the PNB Metlife term plan, and I hope you have get the details of this PNB Metlife term plan. If you want to watch this video, I have given the watch this video in Hindi. I have given the link in the description box. From that you can watch this video in Hindi. And if you like the video, please don't forget to smash the like button. And if you are not subscriber to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for very good insurance related videos, and share this video with your friends, family members, so that they will also get to know about this beautiful term plan. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get the latest notification whenever we will be putting or uploading any video on our channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. Keep watching Insurance Decoder.